What is an IRA to gold and silver transfer? In uncertain economic times, protecting your retirement savings is crucial. An IRA to gold and silver transfer allows you to diversify your portfolio with tangible assets, offering stability, inflation protection, and long-term security. While this strategy has benefits, it also comes with risks that require careful planning and adherence to IRS regulations. Get free Gold IRA Guide and learn how to diversify your retirement with gold. Click the link below in the description to get it. Benefits of transferring IRA to gold and silver. 1. Portfolio diversification. Gold and silver balance your portfolio by acting as a counterweight to traditional assets like stocks and bonds. They often perform well during market downturns. 2. Inflation protection. Precious metals hold intrinsic value and often thrive during inflationary periods, safeguarding your retirement savings. 3. Tangible assets. Unlike digital or paper investments, physical gold and silver offer security as tangible assets without default risk. 4. Tax advantages. Self-directed IRAs allow you to enjoy tax-deferred or tax-free growth on your investments in precious metals. 5. Global liquidity. Gold and silver are universally valued, providing financial flexibility even in volatile times. Risks involved. 1. Storage costs. Storing physical gold and silver incurs fees for secure depositories, which may reduce your overall returns. 2. Market fluctuations. Precious metal prices can be volatile, influenced by global economic factors, which may affect your investment's value. 3. Regulatory compliance. Mistakes, such as buying non-approved metals, can lead to penalties or disqualification of tax advantages. 4. Illiquidity in emergencies. Liquidating physical metals may take longer compared to selling stocks or bonds, posing challenges during urgent financial needs. 5. No passive income. Unlike dividend stocks or bonds, gold and silver don't generate regular income, their value lies in capital appreciation. Key terms to know. 1. Self-directed IRA, a specialized IRA offering broader investment options, including precious metals. 2. Custodian, the financial institution managing your account and ensuring IRS compliance. 3. Approved depository, an IRS-sanctioned facility for secure storage of physical gold and silver. 4. Rollover versus transfer. Rollovers involve withdrawing and redepositing funds, while transfers directly move assets between accounts without tax implications. Converting your IRA to gold and silver can enhance financial security, but it's essential to weigh the benefits and risks carefully. With professional guidance and adherence to regulations, you can make this strategic investment work for your retirement goals. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.